Hello everyone, myself Balaji Chavan. My today's video topic is software development life cycle in Java. SDLC process that creates structure of for developing software and different phases in SDLC are each phase has various activities. It makes the development table from to design, create and deliver high quality product. SDLC describes the various phases of softwares and the order of the execution of the phase. Each phase requires deliverable from the previous phase life cycle of the software development are translated design to life cycle. Software development requirements are translated to design to into development and into testing. After testing is given to client. Let's see all the phases in detail. The different types of software development life cycle. First one is requirement phase, second one is designing, development phase, testing phase, deployment phase and maintenance. First one is requirement phase. In this phase most circular phase of the software development lifecycle, developing the as well as software of the project manager. During this phase, client side requirements, specifications, expectations, and other special requirements related to the products, softwares, all they gathered by the business management project managed by all the software services providing company. The requirement includes the all products of the use in product to determine to the load operations. Second one is design phase. The design phase includes detailed analysis of the software according to the requirements phase. This is the high priority of the in development life cycle of the a system because a logical designing of the system is converted into physical designing and output of the requirement of phase the collection and things that the required and designing phase is given a complete of requirements. The designation of required essential programming language like Java, C Sharp, .NET, PHP, database, Oracle, MySQL. Combination of hardware software provide a platform of which software without any problem. This taken phase. Next is development phase. After successful completion requirement design phase, then step next to implement and design. To develop the software system phase, work divided into small units and coding starts from terms developers according to the design. Discuss with the previous phase of the according requirements and front-end developers develop easy to attractive GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Necessary interface interact with backend operations and backend developers according to the backend developers guidelines demonstrated by the project manager. Since this coding phase it take the longest time, more focused on approach to developer software development in life cycle. So next phase is testing phase. The testing phase is the step completion of the after software completion of the after getting by GUI and backend combination of is tested. Again the requirements started the in this phase testing determination whether the software actually giving the result of the requirements addressed in the requirement phase or not development phase. Team makes testing planning start this test. This test plan includes all the type essential testing such as integration, unit testing, acceptance testing and system testing. Non-functional testing are done by in this phase. Next phase is development phase. When the testing is completed, the satisfying result and there are no remaining issues in the working of the softwares, it is delivered to the customer for their use. As soon as customer receives the product are recommended first do the best and then beta testing customer and can require any changes and which are present in software then mentioned by the requirement document. Next is maintenance. Suppose customer are giving the product and then maintenance phase is the long lasting phase SDLC, because process continue until the software life cycle comes and when the customer starts using software. Thank you so much. That's all about SDLC. Thank you.